Hey there, water lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're plunging into the refreshing world of swimming with 15 fascinating facts that will make you see this sport in a whole new light. So, grab your goggles and let's dive in. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Did you know that swimming is one of the oldest recorded competitive sports? It dates back to ancient Egypt and has been depicted in cave paintings from over 7,000 years ago. Fact 2. Swimming strokes evolution. Over time, various swimming strokes have evolved, each with its own unique technique and benefits. From the freestyle crawl to the butterfly stroke, swimmers have continuously pushed the boundaries of speed and efficiency. Fact 3. Michael Phelps' dominance. Michael Phelps, often dubbed the Flying Fish, holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals, won by any athlete in history, with an astounding total of 23 gold medals. Fact 4. The English Channel Challenge. Swimming across the English Channel is considered one of the ultimate challenges for long-distance swimmers. It spans approximately 21 miles and has been conquered by fewer people than have climbed Mount Everest. Fact 5. The fastest swimmer. Zar Silo, a Brazilian swimmer, holds the record for the fastest 100-meter freestyle swim, clocking in at an incredible 46.91 seconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. Fact 6. The benefits of swimming. Swimming isn't just a great way to cool off on a hot day, it's also an excellent full-body workout. It improves cardiovascular health, builds muscle strength, and enhances flexibility. -1 while being low impact on the joints. Fact 7. The Dead Sea Swim. In 2019, swimmer Christopher Savsky made history by becoming the first person to swim the entire length of the Dead Sea. This challenging feat required navigating its salty waters and extreme conditions. Fact 8. The Butterfly Stroke Innovation. The butterfly stroke, known for its distinctive undulating movement, was first introduced to competitive swimming in the 1930s. It's one of the most demanding strokes, requiring both power and precision. Fact 9. The Paralympic impact. Swimming has played a significant role in the Paralympic Games since its inception in 1960. It provides a platform for athletes with physical disabilities to showcase their talent and athleticism on the world stage. Fact 10. The science of buoyancy. Ever wonder why we float in water? It's all thanks to the principle of buoyancy, which states that the upward force exerted by water is equal to the weight of the displaced water. That's why even heavy objects can float. Fact 11. Swimming records. Swimming records continue to be broken as athletes push the limits of human performance. From world championships to local swim meets, every swimmer strives to go faster, higher, and stronger.
Fact 12. The synchronized swimming spectacle. Synchronized swimming combines grace, athleticism, and teamwork in a mesmerizing display of choreographed routines performed in sync with music. It's a true art form that captivates audiences around the world. Fact 13. Swimming safety. While swimming is a fun and rewarding activity, it's essential to prioritize safety in and around the water. Knowing how to swim, practicing proper techniques, and being aware of your surroundings can help prevent accidents and save lives. Fact 14. The Olympic swimming venue. The Olympic Games feature some of the most iconic swimming venues in the world. From the legendary Aquatics Center in London to the state-of-the-art Tokyo Aquatics Center, these venues have witnessed countless historic moments in swimming history. Fact 15. Swimming for all ages. Swimming is a sport for everyone, regardless of age or ability. From babies splashing in the pool to seniors enjoying water aerobics, there's something for everyone to enjoy in the water. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about swimming that highlight its rich history, incredible athletes, and universal appeal. Whether you're a competitive swimmer or just love to splash around, remember to embrace the joy of swimming and always stay safe in the water. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making a splash.